Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to assign properties to product and display in detail page. First of all, copy the order number. Now go to the back end. Go to Catalogs and Product. Now paste your order number into the search bar. Click on your order. Click on Property Assignment. Now go to Search Properties and select Properties. Click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. You can also add and remove the properties from here. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.